The cabinet back offers several configuration options. In the default lay-on setup, the back panel rests directly against the rear of the cabinet. With the gap value set to 0, the back fully covers the cabinet. You can adjust this gap if needed for your design. Increasing the gap makes the back smaller by that amount, while decreasing it makes the back larger. You can also modify the thickness of the back panel to match material specifications or structural requirements. Overflow settings give you precise control over how the back extends or reduces on each side of the cabinet. With positive overflow, the back extends beyond the cabinet's dimensions. With negative overflow, the back becomes smaller than the cabinet. This is especially useful when you have internal dividers. For example, if a shelf divides the cabinet in half and you only want the back to cover the upper portion, you can reduce the top overflow value accordingly. If you remove the back panel completely, you will notice that the sideboards automatically increase in size. In our example, they grow from 577 millimeters to 580 millimeters. This happens because the outer cabinet dimensions are controlled here, and other elements adjust to keep the cabinet size consistent. For a more professional finish, you can choose to rebate or groove the back into the cabinet. Rebating creates a stepped recess for the back panel. Grooving cuts a channel that the back panel slides into. With either method, you control both the engagement, how far the back panel inserts into the recess, and the depth of the cut. This allows you to meet precise manufacturing specifications.